Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open a NetBank Saver account with the Commonwealth Bank. So you need to go to commbank.com.au to load up the Commonwealth Bank page. Once you're on this page, as you scroll down to where it says here banking, you're going to click on the banking and savings accounts. Now that's going to load up this page. You have the everyday transaction account, and then next to it you have the savings account and term deposits. So if we click on here and see all savings options, that's going to load this next page. And there's a few different types of saver accounts that you could open. You have your general NetBank saver, you have a goal saver, and then you have a term deposit. So you need to read through these and decide which one is going to be right for you. But for our purposes, we're just going to be using the NetBank saver. So if we click on open now, from here, if you're already a customer, you can open in NetBank, but if you're a new customer, then you can click on open now. So there's a few details that you are going to need to fill in. So you need to be over 14 years old, have an Australian residential address, and at least have one form of ID handy. Now over here, there's a 5-minute sign up. Step 2 is verify your identity and then confirm the countries that you're a tax resident. So to get started, to create your account, click on here where it says get started. And then from here, you just simply need to follow the prompts and then you'll be able to open up your account. That is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.